Good morning, people. It's right now 7 o'clock in the morning and we're awake already because yesterday it started raining, really heavy raining and thunderstorm, so we couldn't look at the Grand Canyon. So we made a pit stop at Flagstaff, and now we're driving up again to the Grand Canyon and hopefully to get some sick pictures and yeah, and have some fun. So we're right now here at the Grand Canyon. Amazing.
Summer 2012, got this photo on the shelf of you and I. Our friends knew you and I would end. At the end of the month, we said we would run, but then your right came and they took you away. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I pass by that place, I wonder, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer, summer. Just a couple hundred miles will separate us for a while, but I believed that we would be back at the end of the year. But it's like you disappeared and you moved on.
It's breakfast time. Blueberry bagel time. I don't know what to talk.
Gone, a new season has dawned. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I pass by that place, I wonder, could we try again, recover?
Hey guys, so we just arrived at the crater in Arizona and we're gonna look at it. Ian is camera shy.
Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer, summer. You were mine until the end of.
Ja, das Handy muss ja irgendwo unten sein.
Du schablon wirst dann auf Englisch.
Chiara schenkt dir ein neues iPhone.
Fuck you.
Huh.
What was?
Behind your seat.
When did you find it?
I unplug it after it fall down and put it behind my book.
Hey guys, we just arrived in Tucson. We didn't do a lot of things today because Apparently we went shopping because it was not really nice weather, and afterwards when we wanted to go to look at something, it was closed already. So we are staying overnight here in Tucson, and tomorrow we're on our way to San Diego. So yeah, so we're here at the Air and Space Museum looking at some interesting things at planes.
The summer, you were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I pass by that place, I wonder, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer, oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer. The summer, the summer, oh, like a bird. You were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer.
And I'll be thinking in a way around to find your love. I wanna be the one, and I know you wanna spend your time in a better place. What you really want, I know you cry, I know you
Nice.
try, I know you feel, I know you lie. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I want you, you want me, you feel that, I know that. I want you, you want me, you feel that, I know that. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that.
Dance in the middle of the dance floor. I wanna go to the farthest direction way too soon. To feel like I'm this along with the young. To feel like I love so long. I don't wanna feel like this no more, no more, no more. I don't wanna be like this no more, no more, no more.
I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I want you, you want me, you feel that, I know that. I want you, you want